Hello, I'm going to show you how to pay for your product on Calkia app. Just press the app, then you click on More, you click on Cart, you click on Checkout. This is the total 28,220. That's the total. So you click on shipping address, then you click on billing address and write it down. If you have it, then you press it. Then you click on proceed. You click on pay stock. Then I would like to use card. Yes, you're going to put the information on your card here. You write the numbers on your card here. That's the card number. So you're going to write them down here. Let me zoom. Yes. The card expiring date here. That's the month and the year. Then you write the CVV, which is the 3 digits at the back of your card. So I'm going to write them down. Then if you decide to change the payment method, you press on the change payment method, or you press on cancel to cancel the payment. If you want to proceed, just click on pay. So we're going to click on pay. As I'm clicking, our payment is going to, your bank will send you a message, invalid card number, since the card is not genuine. So you just press on pay. Your payment is now done. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ding the bell to notify you of our new videos.